Pipelife is a well-known brand. We're in the market about 50 years here in Cork. We produce plastic pipe, agricultural, domestic and industrial. So you got your gas pipe, your electrical pipe, your water pipe, and also then inside the house we have underfloor heating as well as water feed around the house. So it's a full catalogue of products. We've recently acquired our competitor Cork Plastics, and now with the purchase of Cork Plastics we do all the downpipe as well and the sewage pipe as well. We're going to be the largest manufacturer of plastic pipe in Ireland and one of the largest in Europe. Our pipes are produced using the extrusion process. The process itself is automated. The pipe comes in pelletized, about the size of a grain of rice, and it would feed through right to the head. The head is heated at 200 degrees, and as the pellets are dropped into it, they melt. Then they come out the other end formed in the shape of a pipe, and then it goes through the process to be cooled using cold water. The print is placed onto it, and then we coil it into whatever meterage that the customer would want. The print on the pipe is as important as the colour of the pipe. Without the print, we don't have traceability. On our print, we would say the exact date when it was produced, and then we would have the product code as well. Various customers want various items. Some of them want their logo, but we have to have reliability. We have to have legible, smudge-free quality print at all times. We want a printer that we can press print, and away it goes, and it will not give us trouble along the way, because if we start to lose print, we have to start scrapping pipe. We chose Domino printers because we want longevity, we want simplicity. So all our printers are touchscreen. We wanted something that was very easily to compose a message inside. We wanted a printer that had a head on it that was streamlined, and parts are easy to get, ink is easy to get. We went for the same printer across every line, so we can have that option of moving from line to line. And as we expand, as we get bigger, as we put more connectivity across the factory, these printers are ready to hit the ground running.
In 2019, Codico supplied Pipelife with 12 Domino Ax350i continuous inkjet printers. Clients choose Codico because we're market leaders in product identification and variable information printing. We have a vast range of printing and labelling systems in the Domino range. Since Pipelife have gone on to acquire Cork Plastics, we've installed a further 9 Domino Ax350i inkjet printers. It's fantastic to see Pipelife Ireland growing, and Codico are delighted to be part of that journey.
Working with Codico and Domino printers has been a great choice of ours. The printers we're using at the moment, there's very little maintenance to them, if any at all. Anybody can do it. To change an ink for them or change the makeup for them is very simple. Pull it in, pull it out. You don't have to have tools. You can get away without having gloves because it's very clean. You want that simplicity all the time. And these printers are reliable, very fast to start up. It's intelligent, it can clean itself. The inks are very, very efficient. And in terms of safety and compliance, the Domino printers work very well for us. So we definitely see the partnership there for a very, very long time.